Welcome to the class 20 Centuries of Christian Faithfulness. I'm really excited to be your guide and professor for this class as we explore together the myriad of ways that people throughout Christian history and across the globe have sought to be faithful Christians. And as we do that, I'm hoping a couple things happen for you this semester. One is I hope that you learn to appreciate how many ways people express their Christian faithfulness. Sometimes they look really different than the ways we're accustomed to, but I hope that we will get at the heart of what people are trying to live out as faithful disciples of Jesus Christ. I don't know about you, but I was raised in a particular church context, and there were certain things that the faithful Christians did. You know, we were always in church when the doors were open, which was usually several times a week for multi-hour services. You know, we read our Bibles by ourselves at home and prayed, and we tithed. I mean, there was like this kind of a list of things that faithful Christians did. And if you didn't do those things, you might be a Christian, you might not. Thank God that I've learned since those days that there are many ways that people of good heart really do seek to be faithful Christians. And so I hope that what this studying, this exploration does for you is what it has done in my life, which is just widely expand my understanding of how people express being followers of Christ. There's lots of different ways that happens. So I hope that for you personally that's enriching, but also as you minister in the world, I hope it gives you a way of understanding people that is much more expansive, perhaps, than how you are today. We'll see if that happens. We're going to do this exploration, as if you've taken a minute to look through the course website, in a couple different ways. Primarily in this course, we will kind of walk through major Christian expressions of faithfulness chronologically. So we'll start with the New Testament. You'll be reading Gretch this week and next, just to get some of the broad themes in the scriptures in the New Testament for how people understood Jesus and what it meant to be faithful. And then we'll have two main texts for the course, which hopefully you've already gotten. One is Richard Foster's Streams of Living Water, and this is a thematic look at how folks have lived their Christian lives throughout time. And there's a wonderful appendices in the back that reference particular folks. There's timelines in the front of each chapter. It's a beautiful thematic look at that. We'll also look at Gerald Sitzer's book. We use this, Water from a Deep Well. And this walks through primarily chronologically through different movements and eras in Christian faithfulness. And generally speaking, that is how the course is set up. It's generally chronological. That said, there are a few weeks where I've kind of snuck in a thematic look at Christian faithfulness. We have a week that we use Christian music and look at that through history. So a couple different things, but primarily this course is going to walk you through chronologically. I'm hoping that will actually help you to kind of remember how certain things may be related, certain movements related to things that came before and after them. So that's what we'll be doing it that way this semester. But in any case, I look forward to getting to know you and explore with you the lives of wonderful sisters and brothers in the faith. And I hope that exploration is encouraging to you in your faithfulness as a disciple of Jesus Christ. Welcome. Welcome to the journey.